Hey everybody, this is Gaynor Meilke with Charisma, and today I am talking about attention restoration therapy and our first tip in our series, which is 52 tips, so one a week, if you want to do on a weekly basis, or you can look through all of the tips together and then pick and choose the ones that you want to try. I would try it for at least a week, if not more. And then you can really see if it's something that is going to help you restore your focus, give you peace of mind inside and out, and can maybe help you not hamper your own productivity with just the endless distractions and mind chatter that we're all prone to. So, tip number one is about releasing worry and doing that through mindfulness that, first of all, you are worrying and that worry really is a wasted source of energy. And so, some practical tips are to focus on calming your mind. Our second tip in this series is going to be on breathing, and we'll get into that a little bit more depth. But just focusing on when you do feel worry, on feeling your breath and feeling your body. You can do a body scan from top to bottom, where you just go through your body and see where that worry lives. Oftentimes it's in the chest or it's in the belly or even all the way down to your feet. And then just focus on your breath because your breath is always with you. And then, as far as actually releasing those worried thoughts so that you contain the worried thoughts and you're not going in circular thought patterns that also waste energy and take you away from finding solutions, is one, to write down at least 20 different solutions to whatever you're worried about. And another tactic is to give yourself 5 minutes just to focus on what the problem is that you're worried about, and then those solutions that you can take. And then at the end of 5 minutes, you contain the thought about it and put at least one of those solutions into action. So moving forward in some way. And then you can also do a little mindfulness technique where you can close your eyes and think about your worry as like a balloon that you can let go up into the sky. Take some breaths and then open your eyes and take that next action, whether it's something that's related to alleviating the worry or whether it's the next thing that you need to do, because action is a great antidote to anxiety, to depression, and to staying stuck. So we want to move forward by taking at least one positive action, and it could just be something small like cleaning your desk, give you some momentum to keep going forward and not to become an energy vampire of your own making by focusing on that worry. And so a lot of our tips are going to help you develop practices so that you feel more empowered and action oriented as opposing to focusing on the fact that there's a problem there that needs to get solved and feeling stuck and kind of disempowered. So until our next tip, try to use some of the strategies that we've covered here to relieve yourself from any worry and to get connected into a daily practice of attention restoration therapy techniques that will help you achieve your goals, whether that be, a bigger goal in your personal life or career, or just the moment by moment goal of feeling more mindful and centered and calm so that you can release the energy to do productive things with it.